Good morning, class. Today we're going to go and we're going to use GeoGebra, which is an online geometry software, to better be able to investigate how the equation of a circle and all the variables inside of it affect the graph. So what you should do first is log on to GeoGebra, which is going to be web.geogebra.org. Wait for that to load. As you can see, GeoGebra is loading up. So as you can see right here, GeoGebra is going to give us a graph. We're going to move our graphics to make sure that our graph is in the center so that everything's easier to see. And we're going to go down to the bottom here into this input page, and we're going to type in our equation. Now, as I'm sure you all remember, the equation for a circle is going to be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And we're just going to leave the variables in there. Then we're going to hit enter. Now the reason we're doing that is because what GeoGebra will do is they'll create these sliders, which it's asking us to do, and we'll click yes, which are going to allow us to, as you can see, change what h, k, and r are. Which if I put on move forward, we'll do it. So like if I can increase r, so if I want to do that, I could have my r be 3, and you can see how that changes the equation right here. Move h around, and k around, and you can see how the different values of h and k actually affect what kind of numbers you put into your equation and what kind of circle you get. So if we want to put a circle that's centered at 0, 0 with a radius 2, all we have to do is say make h equals 0, right, because h is what affects the x, k equals 0 because k affects the y, and we can see k affects the y, right, because we move it up and down, and make our r equal 2. And this is a circle right here, and I misclicked, and that's not great. Come on, web app. What are you doing? And of course, technical difficulties. There we go. And this right here is a circle with a radius 2. So we can just pick any random number, like h be -1, k be, I don't know, 3. Radius equal to 5. And this right here, this circle, this is a circle with a center -1, 3 with a radius 5. So as you see, what h is affects your x-axis, and what k is affects your y-axis, and r is your radius. So now, if you're ever asked to do this, you can see through this useful little web tool exactly how we can find the equation of a circle and what the equation of the circle actually does on a graph.